Welcome, Jason Traviku, to the Rapunzel ride. On this adventure, we're going to check out the Rapunzel ride POV style at Fantasy Spring. Come along, Jason Traviku, for a magical adventure.
Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Wow, this is Rapunzel area. Good day, Jason Traviku. We're here at Rapunzel, so come along. We are back again. This time, the correct time, I believe. Hopefully we can get in there. Alright, let's see where this goes. Oh, we gotta go. Thank you. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Wow, this is awesome. Alright, here you go. Alright, Jason Traviku, we are here at Tangled at Fantasy Spring, Disney Sea, Tokyo.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Alright. Wow, there she is.
全てがとても大きく見えるの外の世界不安だわこの鳥の来ることもできるでも外に出てみたい
Whoa.
That's the most
was quick.